This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Discord music bot. First, you will need to choose a programming language, like Python or JavaScript, and set up a Discord application. This involves getting a unique bot token and granting your bot the necessary permissions to join voice channels and play audio. We will cover these initial setup steps to get your project started on the right foot, ensuring a solid foundation for your music bot's development. Once your bot is set up, the next step is implementing music playback. This involves connecting your bot to a voice channel and using an audio library to handle the actual sound. You will learn to manage a song queue, allowing users to add multiple tracks. We will also explore how to support different audio sources, such as popular video platforms, ensuring your bot can play a wide variety of music for your server members. To make your music bot truly useful, you will want to add advanced features. This includes commands for skipping the current song, pausing playback, and resuming it later. We will also cover implementing volume control and a looping function for individual tracks or the entire queue. Integrating a search feature will allow users to easily find and play their favorite songs, making your bot more interactive and user-friendly for everyone. Finally, deploying your music bot ensures it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will discuss various hosting options, from free tiers to dedicated servers, to keep your bot online continuously. It is crucial to regularly update your bot and its dependencies for security and new features. Monitoring its performance and engaging with the developer community will help you troubleshoot issues and continuously improve your bot over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.